Hello everyone, welcome to Pins and Bobbins. I am Tripta and today in this video I'll be telling you about circle skirts. And this tutorial is very much in depth and it takes you to each and every step to create a circle skirt. I think this video is very useful as these skirts are not sold in shops often. And if you love these kind of skirts, you can make one for yourself and your loved ones. So today I am going to make a full circle skirt and my skirt is going to have a lining, a zipper at center back and pockets. So let's get started. So this is the pattern for circle skirt. The inner circle is the inner circumference, which is our waist measurement, and the outer circle is the length of the skirt. And to find out the waist measurement, we need to do some calculation. That is, we need to find the circumference of the inner circle. And to find that, we need to divide our waist by 2 pi. So now let's talk about this in some detail. For making half circle skirt, we need to divide our waist measurement by pi, and the value of pi is 3.14 and which is standard. So for example, if the waist measurement is 30 inches and dividing 30 by 3.14, we'll get 9.5 inches. So we need to take the waist measurement for half circle skirt as 9.5 inches on fabric. And now we'll talk about full circle skirt. For this, I am going to divide the waist measurement by 2 pi. That is 2 into 3.14 is 6.28, which is the standard value for 2 pi. For example, if the waist measurement is 30 inches divided by 6.28, we'll get 4.7 inches. So here we will take the waist measurement as 4.7 inches on fabric for full circle skirt. Now let's talk about two circle or double circle skirt. For these skirts, we need to divide our waist measurement into half, because we are making two circles for waist, one full circle for front and one full for back. So half of our waist divided by 2 pi. For example, our waist measurement is 30 inches. So dividing it by 2, we'll get 15 inches. And now 15 inches divided by 6.28, which is the standard value of 2 pi, we'll get 2.3 inches. So we'll round it off to 2.5 and now we'll take 2.5 inches as our radius for our two circle skirt on fabric, which is our waist measurement. So now come the waistbands of the skirt. We can attach two types of waistband to these skirts as per our choice. First one is the side zipper waistband. For this, waist is equal to waist round plus ease of 2 inches. For example, if the waist measurement is 30 inches, adding 2 inches of ease to it gives us 32 inches. So we'll take 32 inches long waistband, and width is totally the personal choice. It can be 2 inches wide, 2.5 inches or even 3 inches wide. And for elastic waistband, waist is equal to waist round plus ease of 10 inches so that it can slide over our hips easily. Now how to calculate the required fabric? For this we need skirt length and subtracting waistband from it, then adding radius and seam allowance to it, and then multiplying it by the layers you have taken for making your skirt. For example, my skirt length is 25 inches and then subtracting 3 inches of waistband, and then adding 2.5 inches of radius and 1 inches of seam allowance to it gives me 25.5 inches. And now multiplying 25.5 by 8 layers of fabric, I'll get 204 inches. And now converting 204 inches to meters, we'll get 5.25 meter approximately. And to convert inches to meter, you can take help of Google. So one more important thing is that we need the fabric in length and width both for our desired length of circle skirt in order to cut the circle in one continuous piece. So if you are making a skirt that comes under the measurement according to your fabric, it's great. You can go in one piece. But if you are making a skirt whose length is greater than the width of the fabric, so we have to cut it in pieces like these half circles or like these quarters. So one last thing about these skirts. For making any circle or double circle skirt, don't try to put out the cutout detail on the fabric and cut around it. You will never make a good item this way. It's always better to draw a new one. So now let's come to practical session. I hope everything is clear so far. My measurements are waist round 30 inches, length of skirt 25 inches, waistband 32 inches. For circle skirts, we have to fold a fabric first in length and then in width, so that we can check that if we are able to get the desired length in one piece or not. So this is the folded side. And now let me check that. 4.75 is the radius and 21 inches is the length on lining, and 1 inch I have taken for seam allowance. So let's say in total it's approximately 27 inches, and we want 27 inches both in length and width. And we have that, and that's great. So this means that we can go in one piece. Now mark 4.75 inches both in length and width all the way for waist radius. Now I am marking 27 inches again from same corner. That is because 27 inches minus 4.75 inches gives me approximately 22 inches of length with seam allowance. Now cut the lining skirt and now move on to main skirt. Now the desired length for main fabric skirt is 25 inches with waist radius same as 4.75 inches and 1 inches of seam allowance. And this doesn't fit in length and width of fabric. So now we'll go for 2 half circles. Take 2 long pieces of fabric, fold the fabric once, layer it and mark the measurements. And now cut it. So now instead of full one piece, we have 2 half circles. Now we'll move on to pocket. For pocket pattern, place your hand on paper, trace it and now cut it. And now we'll cut this pattern on fabric. Place the pattern on 4 folds as we need 4 of them, 2 for right and 2 for left. Always cut the pocket on grain line and never on bias. I have cut the pockets off camera. 2 of them are for right and 2 of them are for left. And now we will move on to waistband. My waistband width is 3 inches and length 32 inches. And now I am cutting it. Paste the fusible interfacing on it to make it little stiff. Now fold and iron half inch from both the sides to get 3 inches on fold. Now take two 14 inches long fusible with 1.5 inches of width for zipper at center back. Now slit the back panel into half. Paste these fusible on wrong side of fabric on both the back panels. Now we'll attach pockets to front panel first. Place the pocket like right facing right on both the sides and give a stitch. I have done it off camera and now join all the pieces. Keeping right on right, give a stitch like 2 inches from top and then a full pocket and then give a nice back stitch at the lower end of the pocket and then come all the way down. And now the main fabric skirt is all set with pocket and now we'll join the waistband. Attach the waistband like right facing right and pin along the skirt all the way and then give it a stitch. After joining waistband, mark the zipper from half of the waistband till where you want. So mine is 11 inches. Now join the sides of both lining and main fabric. I have cut the lining in one piece and now mark the zipper length on lining 2 and join the sides. Now slipping the main fabric into lining like right facing right, pin them all the way. As pinning always help. And now give a stitch. Flip the lining into main fabric. What a finish! Take the right size of invisible zipper, unzip it and then flip it and place on right side of skirt. Start pinning where we have marked on waistband. Now close the zip and mark on the other side so that the stitch of waistband aligns. And now do the same for other side and give a stitch. Take the zipper foot for a close stitch. Pull the zipper teeth with hand and give a stitch as close as possible. Try to be as accurate as you can. And cut the excess zipper. So the zipper is working nicely. Now close the lining like. Open the waistband and flip it. Now give a stitch as close as possible to all the way down to the zipper. You can pin it first too. So I have done it off camera. Now give a nice hand stitch for a neat and tidy finish from here. Now give a stitch on waistband too. First pin the waistband so that if we give a stitch and ditch, it won't be on main fabric on the back side. Hem the hemline, double fold the fabric and give a stitch both to lining and main fabric. So we are done now, and this is the final look of the skirt with everything in place, pockets, zipper and lining. Hope you guys like it. So hope you guys like it. Always remember to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, you should consider subscribing it. Please turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my subsequent videos. Follow me on other social media platforms. In the next video, I'll be coming up with a cutting and stitching of double circle skirt. So stay tuned. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.